We'll guide you through how to make a chain brush in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create custom brushes that speed up repetitive design work, especially for patterns like chains. First, prepare a PNG image of the chain that you want to make into a brush. Make sure the image file is saved and can be accessed easily. Next, connect your device to the internet. Access your Google Chrome by double-clicking it. Wait for Google Chrome to open completely. Click on the Google Chrome search bar. Type Photopea in the Google search box. Press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. Select the top option and click to open it. After that, you will be directed to the Photopea homepage. On the Photopea homepage, select New Project. Choose any template available in Photopea. Use a white or transparent background. Click the Create button to start. The editing window will appear. Press Ctrl and 0 on your keyboard. Insert the chain PNG image file. Next, use the rectangular select tool. Create a selection box like this. Make sure the edge of the selection box is exactly in the center of one of the chains. Look at the edit menu options. Select Brush from the Define New menu. Hide the image chain layer and select the background layer. Use the rectangular select tool again. Create a selection area across the entire canvas as shown. Then press B on your keyboard to use the brush tool. Select the chain brush you just created. Look at the window menu options and select Layer Comps. In the brush panel, increase the spacing to around 200 to 210%. Activate the Tip Dynamics feature and change this control to direction. Also, activate the Color Dynamics feature and increase the brightness to 100. Finally, your custom brush chain is ready to use. At this point, you can test the brush by clicking and dragging across the canvas to see how the chain repeats smoothly along the path. You can adjust the spacing or dynamics further if the result does not match your expectation. Repeat the adjustments until the chain pattern looks natural and consistent for your design needs. If needed, save your project so you can reuse the brush settings later without repeating the process again.